remember your back end of your forklift swings around. You steer from the rear of the vehicle, not the front like a car. We have a CDL training class. We call it Drive. So we have some students driving truck here, and then we also have a full CDL simulator. So students are learning how right now to do double clutching. Last week we got a forklift simulator, and the students are training now on how to drive a forklift in a safe environment using a VR goggles. He's looking through the VR goggles, but this is what he witnesses.
I wanted to join this because I feel like having my CDL is just a life skill that would be helpful, and especially like during college, part-time job, maybe an opportunity for that, you know, do something that not a lot of other people would be doing, and also just have that experience if I would need it later on. I feel like it's practical.
It's pretty fun. You drive the forklifts around, and it really feels like you're in there in a warehouse, driving around, having to look out for your surroundings. It's a good life skill to have.